South Carolina's heartbeat law is now in effect. It bans almost all abortions around 6 weeks into pregnancy. Our Jason Raven is at the State House with the latest.
Well, the block on the law was lifted Monday afternoon, just 3 days after the Supreme Court tossed Roe versus Wade and gave states more power over abortion. Now, the Fetal Heartbeat Act bans most abortions about 6 weeks into a pregnancy here in South Carolina. Now, there are exceptions for cases involving rape, incest, or the life of the mother. Now, the act was signed into law last year, but was blocked from taking effect until now. Now, Planned Parenthood says their locations in South Carolina are open and providing abortion in compliance with the law. Now, abortion rights groups have been outside of the State House for the last couple of days, and they'll be back Tuesday. Now, lawmakers are back here in Columbia taking up the governor's budget vetoes, and they could possibly try to pass further abortion restrictions later on this summer. In Columbia, Jason Raven, 7 News.